How do you become market leader? Through experience and innovation. And there's more of both in a large format Rapida than in any other press of this class. That's also why KVA has already been market leader in large formats and in packaging printing for many years. The best technologies on the market, very high press availability and perfect service. That's why we've already been a satisfied KVA customer for the past 13 years. Larger format, higher performance, more automation and the shortest possible make-ready times. Nowhere else is large format production so economical. Features which were once only available for the medium format, and even there often only from KVA, are now to be found on the Rapida 145 and 164, a practically unrivaled level of automation. It's really pleasing for me to see how much energy KVA puts into the development of innovations which benefit the whole market. Starting with the revolutionary infeed, which does away with a side lay. The Drivetronic SIS system is a prerequisite for the extremely high speeds of the Rapida presses. Absolute precision and no marking, even with the most sensitive substrates. KVA has already collected numerous awards for this stroke of genius. But not only that, the Drivetronic SPC plate changer is now available in large format. Plates are changed not only fully automatically, but also simultaneously. A large format Rapida takes not even 2 minutes for a complete plate change cycle, world record. And parallel to plate change, you can already turn to washing. Blankets and impression cylinders, all simultaneously with Cleantronic Synchro and many other make-ready processes besides. And the latest at this point, the Rapida plays in a league of its own. Even the coating forms can be changed parallel. And that not only while the press is stopped for make-ready, but even during full production. KVA offers us the most up-to-date and innovative presses on the market. On top of that, KVA is a sound company, which gives us a confident feeling. Exchanging of the Anilox roller sleeves to vary the amount of coating applied is now child's play for a single operator, and while the Rapida continues to print. If the coater isn't needed for a particular job, it can already be prepared for any subsequent production. The Airtronic delivery is new too, with its high-level extension and innovative energy-saving dryer systems. The very dry UV dryers feature a new and unique reflector geometry, and consequently use less energy than previous UV dryer systems. Thanks to the simple plug-on media connections, modules can also be switched freely, as need arises, between interdeck and final drying positions. very dry blue technology is even kind to both the environment and your pocket. By recycling the only partially saturated air, it reduces energy consumption and costs. Flexibility is a strength of all Rapida presses. Also in connection with the dryers, the standardized modules permit the use of both conventional dryer systems and innovative technologies such as HRUV and UV LED. KBA offers customers added value with many innovative ideas, and KBA is technically more advanced than other press manufacturers. The console is another example for the combination of experience and innovation. Immediately evident, the enormous wall screen, which provides a fast overview of, for example, sheet travel settings, press functions, and the print quality. It goes without saying that various peripheral systems can also be controlled from the Rapida cockpit. For example, the dryers or the powder sprayer. And it can almost be taken for granted that a KBA console permits the loading and presetting of new jobs at the press of a button, whether as CIP4 data from pre-press or from the internal job memory. Thanks to the comprehensive preset capabilities, there's hardly anything left to set manually. The result? Clear structures, fewer or sometimes no operating elements at all, no hectic running back and forth. New on the other hand, many measuring systems are now integrated directly into the console. Ergotronic color control, for example, measures the ink densities online during production. And Ergotronic ICR controls the register automatically. All the well-known inline measuring systems are still available, of course. Qualitronic Color Control for density control, Qualitronic Professional with density control and image inspection, Qualitronic PDF for inline PDF comparisons, and many more besides. KBA offers us an optimum overall package. Continuous innovation paired with serious dependability and outstanding service. The non-stop pile changing and logistics functions can also be controlled from the console, both for the feeder and for the delivery. Once a number of sheets per pallet has been specified, all the logistics processes run fully automatically. We have been very satisfied with the reliability and trouble-free running of our KBA presses for many years already. It's often not only the big features, but also the little details which make working on a large format Rapida so pleasant. Ink changes, for example. No foils in the ink duct, but everything is nevertheless clean in next to no time, thanks to a special surface coating. Or the sheet format, which has been increased by those few centimeters which sometimes make all the difference, to 106 by 145 centimeters on the Rapida 145 and to 120.5 by 164 centimeters on the Rapida 164. That may be all it takes to fit another row of blanks on the sheet. Our life has become easier since we started printing with KBA. But let's not forget something which is practically inherent to a press which bears the name Rapida, namely the production speed. The large format Rapidas too are and remain the fastest sheet-fed offset presses in the world in their respective format class. In the high-speed version, the Rapida 145 prints at up to 17,000 sheets per hour, and the Rapida 164 is right on its heels with 16,000 sheets per hour. And that, as we are accustomed, for a substrate range from the thinnest lightweight papers up to heavy and corrugated boards. There are even presses in use for the printing of beer mats, plastics and many other specialities. Compare for yourself and discover the unique versatility and efficiency. Rapida 145 and Rapida 164, the peak performance class in large format. Only from KBA.